Good morning and welcome back to Not the Morning. As you've seen in the last couple of videos, we've been moving this thing about and getting a few bits and bobs done, sliding doors being done, sorted out a little bit of the wiring, just done a load of little niggly jobs that just needed to get done, which may not have been great footage, but it needed to be done regardless. But I have now put coolant. I mean, it's a bit low admittedly, but there's coolant in, and it's not actually, there is a little bit on the floor admittedly, but it hasn't leaked from anywhere. It's just where I put it in the wrong place and it's spilled all over the floor. So also got all these fancy coloured silicone hoses. That's because on the the N75, I keep calling it the NC500 to wind John up, but obviously got all of these. Well, we thought it might be quite nice to have them all nice colours. So, just been double checking the wiring diagram for it, just to make sure that I have actually got it right. Please know I actually have. So, they're going to be getting replaced. I do also very much need to fit my brake switch, because I don't actually have one. And the coil light never goes out. So, I need to fit that as well. And also want to run it up to temperature, make sure that everything is a-okay as it should be. John's not actually here at the minute, he's over there, but Mr. Jono doing a gearbox. Well, no, he's not actually, he's doing a clutch, which unfortunately we have already missed. It's having a service. This is the one that was on that ramp. This was having the whole new timing belt and everything done. But he's already done all that, everything's done. He's now got the clutch to do, the service to do. I swear there was someone else. We'll catch up with him in a bit. My job for right now is to fit this brake switch, which goes that way. That in there. Twist it. Put the connector in. Also, something I have learnt is, so I can get underneath there, tidy. These things are, so you push your clutch all the way, or brake, sorry, all the way down. And you can push that down, it's on a little ratchet. And then if you lift it back up again, there we go. And hopefully now, that means the coil light will go out. Da -da, da -da, da -da, da -da, do. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to say it's not working, but there you go. Coil light is now out. I know I've got a few other flashing lights, don't worry. But also, you can see this. You see that? My brake lights work. Ta-da! Coolant light, that will be going out in a minute once I sort the coolant level out. That, don't worry about that. There's another little job did it. Yeah, boy. Happy, happy, happy. So, there's that little job done. I'm very pleased. I now have brake lights. I have brake lights. Also, no one told me I was wearing this thing wrong all this time. I have been wearing it this way round. And when I do, and use the little, that one, the little spotlight, you can probably see the light pattern's up there. And obviously my eyesight's about here, so that's no use. But if I wear it the right way round, I've also just loosened it, but ignore that. The light pattern is now like, see? So yeah, nobody told me I was wearing that the wrong way around this whole time. So I learnt that today. Mr. John!
How's it going, Mr. Cal?
Fantastic, John.
Huh?
So fantastic. How's this going?
Really good. 1.9 box. She's back in, huh? Back in, lift it up. with the survey. Finish a couple of things off. And off to go.
Is that all that's left? I did come over a second ago. Is that all that's left on this as a service?
Yeah. Yeah, well it is. Oh, bad, I'm an alternate belt because that was. It was an alternate belt. Put the gearbox back in, obviously. Now make it out.
Yeah, boy.
And then we done it, and then. Fucking hell, this. It's a break for Audi tomorrow. One of my buddy's got a rounded off bolt at the shop. We can't mind his toes and rods up, so that's tomorrow. An alternator. We can't melt the one that dies rounded on me. Hopefully.
Oh, you ground it all back already?
Section and a boy. Warrior.
Warrior. But this panel is in.
Yeah. Put the grinding on the bottom now.
Yeah. Just bear with. He's got pneumonia. He's doing his best.
Yeah.
He's doing his best.
Try it.
Right. I now need to pick some hoses. Not the white one, because that's going to look horrible. But, how many hoses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Right. Right, there we go. I had to do a few little field repairs. I may or may not have just... Don't worry about it. But, what we're going to do is we're going to put fancy colours on. Because why not? There's that one. We've got red. Bit of purple. One in there, and orange on the top. So the top one, which is the orange one, goes to the boost light. A bit of slack, so we'll say about there. And then that one goes. That one goes on there. There's one. That red one goes to the wastegate, which will cut about here. Down here. So we'll cut that about. So there we go. There's them 3 in. I wonder if I could change that one as well. Might try and change that one as well. And then I've just got the EGR ones. There's those 2. There's one more somewhere. Ow! Ah! So let's take that one. Does it come off? Let's cut it off before I break something again. There we go. That one off. Oh. Oh boy, I've got it all dirty. Right, and then the pink one goes on the top. Tuck them down there. But there you go. Yellow one's connected down there on the EGR. Pink one needs to be connected there. The other side of that needs to go up through. I can't even see it. Oh, there we go. Just about see it up there. Needs to go up through there. Boost gauge. Neatly go around there. And then that can go up through that hole there. That could be for the boost gauge. And I want to swap this one over. Happy days. Oh, look a bit funky. A bit different, isn't it? John's completely done on this as well. Everything's all back on. Gearbox is in, drive shafts are in. It's now just finishing off a service. And then this is done. Happy days. That one's done. That one you've seen in the last video. That is now done. That's out. And then Mr. Dynamo has done this one. Red oxide paint all the way across, completely done. So that now needs to go over onto your side of the workshop.
Yes.
So that'll go there, and then that van's done. Happy, happy. Alright, I'm gonna go have a little more look at this, see if I can run a bit more lineage, but I'm happy with that. Anyway, pick the camera up in a minute. Feed 'em up! John, are you happy?
No, I've looked underneath yet, yeah.
Yes, you're happy. All done. Back to full health. Yay! Yay! And I finished off doing this. Got me, see if I can turn this. There we go. Got the white one. That's for my boost gauge if I decide to run one, so I might as well run the line now, see when I've got it. And then the orange one ended up being like black up to here. I ended up just making it completely orange. Wastegate, airing, pressure-y thing, I don't know. But I've literally got them all plumbed up, all where they need to go. Don't know where that one goes. But they look cool. Look, that blue one goes up through there. Up to there. Apparently I'm just hitting the windscreen, and then connects to the airbox. It is, I wonder if I can show you. There you go, it is actually connected. So that one's done. And the boost one, that comes through here. We can deal with that somewhere else. But that's now done. Happy, happy, happy. Well, I think it might be time to start her up and get a heat cycle through her. She's got fluid, so why not? I think she's out of gear. We'll find out the hard way. Oil light's gone out. Look at this. All our lights are going out. Where is in the coil light? There you go. Coil's gone out. Now we let her warm up a little bit. Perfect.
Got a gear stick.
Brakes work.
Got a gear knob.
Yeah, brakes work.
Cool.
Yeah, we have actually got an idea of what to do for the intercooler now. Disconnect that. So I'm not going to be here for a week. Look at this. She's looking more completed. Got more bumpers on that van than on that van. I know a few of you have asked. These bumpers, that's my front bumper off of this van. Those bumpers are a customer's bumper. That's my old bumper that I still need to sell.
No.
Apparently no. So we're just going to have a little move about. Apparently John's going to do it all on his own. But we're going to have a move about. I'll pick this up in a mo. See you in a mo. Right. We had a little bit of a move. As you can quite clearly see, everything is moved about. That hasn't. That's in. That's up there. This is back inside. Everything moved it about. So, happy, happy, happy. There's that done. I think that was quite good. Managed to get a heat cycle through this thing. Nothing leaked. Happy days. And we've figured out the intercooler situation, which we'll do in the next video. But all in all, very productive. There's not a massive amount that needs to be done on this now. Need to get those shocks in, which should come back in the next couple of days. Get those shocks put back in, sort some wiring out, and put the dash back in. Yeah. This thing, hopefully, will be on the road soon. Which is handy, because we got the NC500 trip just around the corner. Look how cool those look. I don't know how you can see that. All those pretty colours. Anyway. I'm going to get gone. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. They're in there. But thank you very much for putting out a bar dumbass. And as always, take it easy.